Today we're making authentic homemade borscht. Rich, flavorful, and incredibly delicious. For this dish, we will need the following ingredients. Peel the onion for the broth. Peel the carrots. Prepare the parsley root. Place the meat and vegetables into a large pot. Salt the water to taste. Cook a rich and flavorful broth over low heat. Be sure to skim the foam while cooking. Add an onion, bay leaf, and peppercorns to the broth. Cook the broth until the meat becomes tender. Strain the finished broth. Now prepare the carrots for the sautéed vegetables. Peel the onion. Prepare the potatoes. Peel the beetroot. Finely chop the onion. Finely chop the carrots. Grate the beetroot. Fry the onion until soft and fragrant. Finely shred the cabbage. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add the potatoes to the broth. Add the carrots to the onion in the pan. Remove the meat from the bones and chop it. Add the meat back into the broth. Add the grated beetroot to the vegetables. Add the tomatoes to the sautéed vegetables. Simmer the vegetables under a lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Season the boiling broth with more salt if needed. Add the cabbage. Add the sautéed vegetables to the pot. Cook the borscht under a lid for about 15 minutes. Finely chop the fresh herbs. Add the fresh herbs to the pot. Let the borscht cook for another 10 minutes. Then it's ready to serve. Enjoy your meal! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next recipes!